The initial UI of BirdVis has three components: the environments list on the top left, the species list on the bottom left, and on the right the display area, which is initially empty. To investigate occurrence maps in BirdVis, we can drag and drop the single species environment into the display area. The single species environment has 5 components: an occurrence plot, an information panel, a toolbar panel, a map view, and a color map designer. To load an occurrence map, we should drag and drop the species of interest into the environment. We will load indigo bunting. Once we load the species into the single species environment, its occurrence curve for the whole US appears in the plot, and its name appears on the information panel. By advancing time using the right arrow button or the right key on the keyboard, we can visualize the predicted distribution of indigo bunting in the US territory. This dataset is for the year 2009. When we hover the mouse over the map, we can see the longitude, latitude, county, and state for the location pointed by the mouse in the information panel, as well as the occurrence probability for that location on the top of the map view. To visualize details on the map, we can pan and zoom into regions and use the color map controller. Here let's make the regions with probability greater than 0.2 dark red, and probability with less than 0.2 almost white. To compare occurrence curves of different regions, we can create selections. Note that as we are creating the selection curve, gets updated. So let's compare this region with this region. See if there is a cross input right where we are. To study habitat preference of bird species, we designed tag cloud lenses, a combination of tag clouds with magic lenses. In this segment, we show how tag cloud lenses gives immediate feedback of habitat preference for the area underneath the lenses. We also can create multiple lenses and see regional difference in habitat preferences. By moving forward in time, we can see how preferences change over time. In this segment, we show how tag cloud lenses in a coordinated multi-view environment makes it easy to see preference changes for a region over time. We can also move the tag cloud lens, rescale, and create other tag cloud lenses. In this last segment, we show habitat preference across species. Each column here corresponds to one species: indigo bunting in the first, Baltimore oriole in the second, and wood thrush in the third. The bottom tag clouds show the habitat preference for the whole US for each species. As we move through time, we see shifts in habitat preference across the whole US and for each species. We also see that their preferences are different. In this multi-species environment, we can also create tag cloud lenses. In this case, we can see that in this region, Baltimore oriole is different from the other two species. As in the other environments, we can move tag cloud lenses and create new ones.